We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a Starline Pro on a 992 Carrera GTS. So if a thief got this key, hopped in and went to steal the vehicle, they'll start it up, but as soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out. There you go, they're unable to drive it away. So what the customer has to do is start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence of their choosing. So 1, 2, 3 we have for now. Hear that disarm tone. Now we can select our gear and the vehicle remains running. If they're not a fan of push sequences, they can pair up a Bluetooth phone. So with a Bluetooth on in their pocket, they just get in the vehicle, start out. Hear that disarm tone straight away. They can put it in gear. Customer can choose their own code, 3 to 21 presses. Totally up to them in any order of the supported buttons on this vehicle. Also has a service mode when it goes back to Porsche with a simple press and hold, turning the whole system off. So it's just a normal vehicle. Porsche don't need a code or your phone. It will just be a normal car to them. Obviously, when you turn it back on, you'll go back into the app, press and hold. When your phone goes out of range, someone does a relay attack, or they clone the key, get in, start it up. Without your code or your phone, the vehicle's going to cut out. They're going to be unable to drive it. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a brand new 2023 911 Carrera GTS 992. Thanks for watching.